Good morning, students. Now we are going to see a topic on robot system components. Generally, the robot system components are first is actuators. Actuators are the muscles of the manipulators. Common types of actuators are servo motors, stepper motors, pneumatic cylinders. In some of the cases, hydraulic cylinders also used in where the many in robot we can see in many places we can see only pneumatic cylinders because of the fast actions and also which for example, if you use the hydraulic oils or something, it will make the space more spingy. So always we prefer for pneumatic cylinders. So next, these are the robot actuators are generally for some motors which can transmit the supply or something to do the work. Especially stepper motors are always used means used in grippers or assembly lines or where you can see the grippers. Most of the actions are done by the stepper motors. Next one is the servo motors. Robot system, the components, sensor are most usually communicate with the outside environment. And for the robot, sensors are mainly used. Robots are often equipped with external sensory devices such as vision system, touch system, tactile sensors, proximity sensors, which are mainly used to communicate with the environment, receive the signal, and it will the signals are go to processor, and it will take the necessary actions. It's generally same as that of the in human hands, legs, and vision sensor is our eyes, and smelling sensor is our nose. Like that, all the sensors are having robot also. These are the many types of sensor you can see. uh, this is the accelerometer and gyroscope, which you already know, the metal detector sensors and the gas sensor, which leakage of gases can be detected, pressure switch, mechanical tilt sensor, thyristor on the various sensors. Next one is the controller. Control is the same as that of the computer, which receives the signals from the sensors and provides motion to the actuators and coordinates this motion, sensory feedback, inspections, information which it can easily do. A controller is same as that of the CPU. The energy by means of you have to mainly in mobile robots and other humanoid robots, the main energy is in the form of batteries. We can give the supply to the robots. The next next we can see about the robot reference frames. The robot reference frames are the something we can name the axis as x or y or z axis, where it can refer joint reference frame. This is world reference frame. This is the tool reference frame. We can easily differentiate that. And for example, you can see in the Cartesian coordinate work envelope. This is the the main concept. Before you have to know is the working envelope. This is the working envelope, which the maximum envelope, restricted envelope, operating envelope. You can divide it. For example, if this robot is working in the envelope, they are specifying the area where the robot can move, and where it cannot move, it is specified as the working envelope. This is the Cartesian rectangular gantry. Mainly it is named as a Cartesian robot. Otherwise we can call it also rectangular gantry robot. These robots are made up of 3 linear joints and orient and end effector, which are usually followed by the additional revolution joints. These are the Cartesian robots. For example, you know that the rectangular robot, which is a table is provided. This is the vertical stroke, horizontal reach, horizontal stroke, how much the robot can reach also. So this is mainly used in assembly lines for fixing bolts or nuts or some of the other parts, frames to the computers. This is the cylindrical robot. Cylindrical robots have 2 prismatic joints and 1 revolute joint. Prismatic joint is from up and down motion, revolute joint is for revolution. This is 360-degree rotation. We can give revolution up to 360 degree or 180 degree based upon our need. It is mainly used for picking some of the objects, or especially we can whatever use. This is the cylindrical robots are used there. This is the cylindrical robot working envelope. For example, you can see that it can move up to this degree. I think above I think about 270 degree it can rotate. Yeah, above up to 270 degree it can rotate. For how its work envelope is like that. This is a cylindrical robot. It can rotate up to 270 degree. Sorry, next is a spherical robot. This is a spherical robot working envelope. Articulated 3R robots. These are the 3R robots. Revolute. It's similar to that the human arm. Select. This is Scara robots, which is mainly nowadays is this is most popularly used. They have two revolute joints that are parallel and allow the robot to move in a horizontal plane, plus additional prismatic joints that moves vertically. These are the reference plane which is already seen. Okay. Thank you guys.